Salut YouTube, aujourd'hui on commence Firewatch. Nouvelle partie, on est bon. On va régler les paramètres vite fait là, hein, histoire de mettre en français tout ça. Chut, histoire. Pardon, excusez-moi, j'avais pas vu. Elle a à peu près votre âge. À l'approche de la trentaine. C'est plus haut, pardon, c'est plus haut. Elle rit avec des professeurs sur leurs 31 et des jeunes diplômés de l'université de Colorado à Boulder. Vous êtes Henry. Êtes allé boire avec des amis. Vous, Henry, pardon, êtes allé boire avec des amis. Oui, je lance Firewatch, tout à fait. Vous approchez d'elle. Vous êtes éméché. Ah ouais? Oh là. tu es très jolie. Ou alors? Alors? Qu'est-ce que tu étudies? C'est plus... Vous avez du mal à articuler. Vous souriez maladroitement. La biologie et l'évolution, répond-elle. Et je suis professeur. Cool, répliquez-vous. Et toi? Demande-t-elle. Elle renifle doucement. La toxicologie? Hein? Tu te moquais de moi? Demandez-vous. Elle répond que oui, en espérant ne pas vous avoir froissé. Elle vous demande si vous voulez partager un cheeseburger avec elle. Une semaine plus tard, vous êtes le petit ami de Julien. Ah mais c'est comme ça que ça marche en fait! Ah, d'accord. Pardon, je savais pas. Faut être bourré. Demander si elle est étudiante. Et putain de merde. Alors, utiliser des objets. Oh, j'ai cliqué sur le sac à dos sans faire... Oh, par contre, la sensi. faut éviter les smash burgers pas chers. Ouais. J'ai baissé un petit peu la sensi par contre. Parce que là, je n'étais pas prêt pour ça. On va mettre 25. On va faire de moitié. Voilà. Ça l'a pas changé. Hein? Ok. Bon, ça, apparemment, ça l'a changé. Je suppose qu'on veut prendre notre voiture, c'est ça? Vous êtes ensemble depuis plus d'1 an. Elles vous rend complètement dingue. C'est génial. Vous vous emménagez avec elle et partagez un appartement près. Pardon, près. Dès l'école avec une vue magnifique sur les montagnes. Vous buvez des bières sur le ponton. Vous buvez de la bière où que vous soyez. La vie est belle. Ah, ouais, bien, des bisous Artidor. Désolé. Julia a envie d'un chien. Il y a un petit bagel un peu négligé. Julia l'adore. Elle veut l'amener dans sa caisse, dans sa classe. Il y a également un berger allemand un peu effrayant mais au regard doux. Il n'avrira rien à Julien en sortant un chien comme ça, il assure. Bah, Julien adore le bagel. Il s'appellera Bucket. Bucket est un bon chien, et au bout de quelques semaines, vous avez complètement oublié l'autre chien. Julia l'adore. Vous aussi. 1979. Vous discutez sur le ponton, c'est l'été, 21h30. Le désert irradie encore de chaleur. Tu aimes les enfants demanda-t-elle. Oh là. Les enfants, ils ne sont pas très futés et savent pas faire grand-chose. Je veux dire, et si toi et moi en faisions? Deux petits crétins. Dans ce cas, nous devrions peut-être nous marier? Oui, ça me plairait, dites-vous. Ces enfants auront déjà assez de mal dans la vie, alors autant qu'ils aient des parents mariés. Vous lui dites qu'elle a entièrement raison. En 3 phrases de dialogue, on nous dit qu'elle est décédée. Hein. Très bien. Taureau-phare, Trailhead. Alors, pas de fireworks, de feu d'artifice. N'oubliez pas de check-in, de machin. Apprendre à vivre avec les ours. C'est non recommandé pour les grimpeurs inexpérimentés. Et du coup, on a ceci. Ok. J'ai récupéré mon sac à dos, moi? J'ai récupéré mon sac à dos. Très bien. C'est jeudi soir et Julia a déjà 4 heures de retard. Elle n'a pas appelé. Vous vous inquiétez et sentez la colère monter. Elle rentre alors que vous êtes déjà au lit. Elle n'est pas saoule, mais on voit qu'elle s'est bien amusée. Vous vous disputez lorsqu'elle s'installe sous les draps. Bah, on va pas s'énerver, non? Vous ne vous touchez pas de la nuit. Le lendemain, vous vous sentez coupable de vous être énervé et lui demandez comment s'est passée la soirée. Elle répond qu'elle a passé un bon moment. Vous ravalez un léger ressentiment. Faites du café et partez au travail. 1981. Julia aime toujours dessiner. Elle dessine des plans de ses recherches. Elle dessine partout où vous allez. Elle vous dessine aussi. Vous posez et vous... Ah, ok. On est plus quoi, Musclor ou Victoria's Secret? Oh, Victoria's Secret. Très joli. Oui, je sais, écoutez... Ah merde. J'ai cliqué sur très joli. Le jeu est magnifique. Two Forks, poste d'observation de Two Forks. Encore 13 km. Barre d'espace pour franchir les obstacles. Oh, c'est beau. 1982. L'été, Julia et vous adorez promener Bucket le soir. Il y a un festival en ville. Les gens viennent de très loin pour y participer. L'un d'eux sort un couteau et tente de vous voler. Hein? Bucket prend un coup de pied. Merde, foutu clébard. Julia crie. Elle est troublée et a du mal à parler quand elle est stressée. Vous vous occupez de l'agresseur. Oh, je lui défonce la tête. Vous vous coupez au bras, mais le type est réduit en bouillie. Ne vous sentez pas plus fort. Vous pleurez en entendant que la police arrive. Julia vous demande d'emprunter un autre chemin à partir de ce jour. Quoi? Vous êtes d'accord? Ah, pardon, un autre chemin, une autre route. Vous ne vouliez plus repasser par là de toute manière. Alors vous décidez de longer la rivière. 1984. Le projet de fin est repoussé par le travail. Ah. Julia se voit confier un poste à Yale. Yale est dans le Connecticut, à 3500 km de là. C'est un poste génial. Assistante du chef de département, elle veut déménager. Vous, pas du tout. La convaincre de refuser le poste, accepter si elle accepte de faire des allers-retours. En vrai, c'est un poste de fou pour elle, donc en vrai, on accepte, non? Vous lui demandez si elle accepte de faire des allers-retours. Vous ne voulez pas aller dans le Connecticut. dans le Connecticut. Elle dit que ce sera difficile, mais elle accepte, car vous ne voulez pas déménager. Vous lui dites de ne pas le manquer une telle opportunité. Accepte, elle rentre à Boulder 3 fois par semestre. 1985. Julia est renvoyée chez elle après une crise. Elle a piqué une crise contre un collègue qui lui a emprunté des livres importants pour ses recherches. Elle avait complètement oublié qu'elle lui avait prêté 2 jours auparavant. Oula. On l'a retrouvée en train de pleurer dans les escaliers. Vous lui dites que vous devriez peut-être en discuter avec un professionnel. Vous préparez des macaronis et buvez du vin. Vous tâchez d'oublier. En vrai, les macaronis et le vin, moi ça fonctionne. Vous regardez Dallas à la télé. Et vous vous endormez l'un contre l'autre sur le canapé. Là, t'as le générique de Dallas qui pop. Dallas, ton univers impitoyable. Ça casse un peu l'ambiance, hein, quand même. Ah, journal. Ah. Allô? C'est des dessins, excusez-moi Twitch. J'étais pas prêt à ça. Oh, le ban qui va... Bucket ne rajeunit pas. Julia est contente parce qu'il a fait moins de bêtises autour de la maison. Une semaine plus tard, elle retourne à l'université. L'état de Julia se dégrade. Cette chaîne fut un plaisir. Non, je pense que c'est bon, c'est... Elle oublie des choses en classe. Ses recherches sont un véritable désastre. Elle prend sa voiture et roule sans raison particulière. C'est la police qui la ramène chez elle. Elle est affligée. On la revoit définitivement chez elle pour des raisons médicales. Oh. Certains jours, vous êtes confronté à Julia qui vous trouve génial et traite vos enfants imaginaires de petits idiots. D'autres jours, vous avez affaire à une étrangère. Elle vous traîne au fond du lit pour faire l'amour. Au bout de 5 minutes, elle fait une crise de panique, persuadée que son père est à la porte d'entrée. Vous parlez à sa famille, ils sont bouleversés et font des allers-retours depuis l'Australie pour lui rendre visite. Pendant un moment, vos amis passent et apportent des choses pour vous faire plaisir. Son état empire. 1988. Vous passez vos journées à suivre Julia autour de la maison. Vous comptez les secondes entre les 2 visites hebdomadaires de Daniel, l'infirmier. Il vous suggère... Je galère tellement alors que le texte il est beau et tout là. Il vous suggère d'installer Julia ailleurs, dans un endroit avec une assistante médicale constante, un véritable foyer. Vous y réfléchissez pendant quelques mois. Vous décidez de la placer dans un établissement de soins à plein temps. Vous êtes bien déterminé à prendre soin d'elle. Bah en vrai, faut qu'elle ait les meilleurs soins possibles, non? On va continuer par là puisque c'était la direction... Ma direction, j'ai pété les plombs sans abandonner ni baisser les bras. Pardon. Ah, pardon. What? C'était quoi ce son? Le... Sa famille comprend votre décision. Vous trouvez un endroit fantastique à Boulder et l'y installer. Vous la voyez tous les jours. Puis, les visites s'espacent. Comment ça, les visites s'espacent? Vous allez au bar avec vos vieux amis, malgré tout, ce n'est pas pareil. Vous dites que toutes les femmes disent à leur mari « Si tu me places comme Henri l'a fait, je te tue. » Ah merde. Vous décidez peu à peu à ne plus voir vos amis aussi souvent. 1989. La sœur de Julia, Suzanne, déménage à Boulder pour se rapprocher d'elle. Elle vient la voir tous les jours. Vous l'accompagnez de temps en temps. Suzanne vous achète une vieille machine à écrire et vous encourage à l'utiliser, vu que vous ne vouliez pas voir de thérapeute. Vous n'en avez aucune envie. Vous avez toujours apprécié Suzanne. Les mois passent. Bucket meurt. Julia ne se souvient plus de lui quand vous lui annoncez. Des fois, il lui faut 1 minute avant de vous reconnaître. Au fond, vous vous dites que c'est parce que vous venez de moins en moins la voir. Et vos visites espacées font qu'elle vous oublie de plus en plus. Vous pensez. L'été approche et vous voyez une annonce pour du travail dans le journal. Vous l'acceptez. Ok. Entrez dans le poste d'observation. Y'a pas un truc qui a pop là? Non. Il y a un truc, non? Oh, il y a du vent. Hein. Activez le courant. Waouh. Ah. Maintenir match gauche pour activer la radio. Bonjour.
Hello? Whoever this is?
It's Henry, right?
Yeah.
I'm Delilah.
Yeah, that's what the guy said on the phone.
So, what's wrong with you?
Excuse me?
People take this job to get away from something. So, what's wrong?
What's wrong with you?
That's a great idea. Go ahead.
Look, I just hiked for 2 days, so I don't really follow whatever it is you're doing right now.
You take a stab at what's wrong with me.
Fine, then can I sleep forever?
Sure, buddy. Okay, now go ahead.
Ah, merde. On peut le... Voilà. On va les mettre debout. Voilà.
You're just gonna wait me out on this? Ugh, fine. But I'm gonna take a second here and have a guess about you.
J'ai pas eu le temps.
Let's see. I don't know anything about you. But maybe you just really like trees. Maybe it's... Gosh, maybe it's a borderline fetish. A tree fetish.
Ah, j'adore les...
Good night. Welcome to the job.
Ok. D'accord. Jour 1. Je suis un tree fétichiste.
Good morning, Henry. Well, I guess good afternoon. You probably slept like a rock. Anyway, there's still a few hours of daylight to get some work in. I can see you at your desk, so call me when you're ready.
Comment ça me voit au... Comment ça me voit
Hey, sorry, guess I slept in.
What?
You got a relaxing, what, 14 hours of sleep? Whew.
Yeah, Jesus, I guess it's what, 6?
6:45.
Whoops.
Don't worry about it. That hike puts everyone out of commission for a day or two. But now that you're up, let me quickly get you acquainted with the job. There's a thing in the middle of your room with a round map on it. Do you see it?
Okay, yeah, I see it.
This is the Osborne Firefinder, invented in 1914 by W.B.
Osborne?
You use this to spot, you guessed it, What the fuck?
What is it?
Nothing. You use this to... Oh, fuck me!
Good God, language, lady.
Out your west-facing window. Are you seeing what I'm seeing?
C'est où l'ouest?
Are those fucking fireworks?
Ouest. C'est là-bas.
I need you to confirm. Do you see them?
Whoa, that's not legal, right?
No. You need to get down there right now and stop them. Fire danger is through the fucking roof.
Is that really my job?
Your job is whatever I say it is. Look, the closest ranger is like 2 days away. Go down there and set him straight. Do you think you can handle that?
Like, kick the shit out of him sort of straight?
No. Jesus, no.
What? I'm not a cop. It's not like I've got a rule book over here.
Just make sure they don't do it again. Take their shit.
All right, fine.
Don't feed anyone a knuckle sandwich. get going. You'll probably need a rope to get down the shale between you and the lake, if I remember right. There should be one in the supply box on the way. The code is 1234. It's actually that for all of them.
Convenient.
That's one word for it.
On peut courir? On peut courir. On va vers l'ouest. Hein. Et la carte? On peut quoi? Zoomer sur la carte? Et on est où? On est là. Ok. Ah merde, on peut pas faire les deux en même temps. C'est pas genre un saut qu'on peut... On entend. Ah, c'est là, non? Elle a dit 1, 2, 3, 4, hein. Alors. Copier les infos. Je ramasse une pomme de pin. Je ramasse là. Je prends la vieille corde. Et je prends la barre chocolatée. Examiner. Manger. Je vais manger la barre chocolatée. Est-ce que je peux... Bon. Je sais pas où... Je vais vers l'ouest. Hein. Ah, on peut courir. Et je cours, je me raccroche à la vie. Je me saoule avec. C'est là-bas, le bruit. Délinquant! Point d'attache. C'est raide. Par espace.
No, no, no!
Aïe. On va les dire, c'est ça?
Hey,
What the hell's wrong with you?
my rope snapped coming down the shale slide.
You didn't break anything, did you?
No, I think I'll make it.
Well, be careful for Christ's sake.
Le Gus c'était par là, non? On nettoie la forêt, non? Ils ont bu de la bière. Faut être propre, les gars. Respectez un petit peu. Là, il y a des sacs à dos.
They left their packs tied up here.
The idiots down at the lake?
Yeah, them. I just found where they're hanging out.
Je maîtrise le clic. Oh, de whisky.
Ferret are Irish.
Il est temps, non? D'accord. Très bien.
Well, they left their clothes out to dry. It looks like two people. What if they're naked?
Won't that be exciting? Look, they're obviously still there, so tell them off and then head back.
Ah. C'est Twitch friendly ou pas?
Cool stereo!
Whoa, hey, put that down. Seriously, it was expensive.
Fucking cool it with the fireworks.
Please just put it down. We won't light anymore.
This guy's creepy, Chelsea.
Ha! You probably have a tiny dick.
Chelsea?
It's my boombox.
Can we go? Let's just run to the other side of the lake or something.
Ew, totally.
You're gross.
You're just some sad man out in the woods.
I know you guys are setting up bottle rockets out here, okay?
How? Because you're hiding in the bushes spying on us?
Give him a break, Lily. He probably hasn't seen boobs in 20 years.
Oh, ça met des taquets.
Why do guys think it's all right to just stare at girls?
You don't know a damn thing about me.
We know you're a peeping Tom. How long have you been standing over there?
Oh my god, is that what you are? Barf me out.
Ew. Can we just get out of here?
Ew, totally.
You're gross.
You're just some sad man out in the woods.
Je peux... Non, je peux pas aller dans l'eau. Et du coup, on fait quoi? Je reprends la radio, je me...
Okay?
It went fine. Hopefully there won't be any more trouble.
Allez, chais.
Good. Thanks for going down there.
Alors, du coup, comment on retourne? Comment on retourne chez nous? Parce que nous... On va suivre le chemin. Hein. On va essayer de re-suivre le chemin, non? Ok. Je vais la garder avec moi, tiens. Ça va leur faire les pieds.
So there's no noise ordinances or rules out here?
No. But that music I hear makes a good case for him.
Yeah, no kidding.
Aïe, aïe, aïe. Alors. Ouais, faut continuer quoi. On suit le chemin et on... Alors est-ce que... Oui, c'est ce chemin qu'il faut suivre. On vient de là-bas. Et la corde est cassée du coup. Alors est-ce qu'on peut remonter? Est-ce qu'on peut faire un truc? On peut faire rien d'autre, hein. On peut faire rien d'autre, hein. Ok. Par où on passe du coup? Ah merde, c'est de l'autre côté, non? On passe par la rivière. On peut peut-être essayer de passer par la rivière pour remonter. On retourne au lac, on repasse par la rivière et on essaye de passer là-bas, non? Bon bah, super. Alors on peut courir, hein? Allez. Petit marathon simulation là. C'est-à-dire du coup j'ai laissé la radio dans la nature comme ça. Peut-être pas dû. Surtout après avoir tout nettoyé quoi. Ah c'est quand même mieux quand c'est calme. Hein. Donc du coup, là il y a un chemin avec une rivière, non? Exactement. On redescend. On peut passer la rivière? On peut passer la rivière, allez. Toute petite rivière là.
So, I have a bit of a confession to make.
What is it?
Look, I was drunk last night when I welcomed you to the job.
Let's go!
Well, you're not the first boss to be guilty of that.
I know, I know I can get a little pushy, you know, putting you on the spot about why you're out here and stuff.
Il n'y est pas encore. Ah c'est vrai qu'il y a du... Ah! Il y a du temps pour répondre.
It's fine.
I'll keep that sort of a thing to a minimum. Anyway, let me know when you get back to your lookout.
Ce sera ma nouvelle femme, c'est ça? Ah moi je coule des trucs hein. T'as vu, je suis scénariste. Tempête en approche. Ok, donc ça veut dire faut se grouiller, c'est ça? On est où? Ah, on y est, c'est au-dessus. Merde. C'est au-dessus, c'est ça?
Hey, I heard some thunder.
Yeah, I've got eyes on a storm out to the north.
Well, that's bad, right? Because of the lightning?
It just means we'll be busy. Hurry home and try not to get hit by lightning.
Yeah, I'm not sure I got a lot of choice in getting struck down.
1, 2, 3, 4
Especially not
toujours?
with your electric personality.
Oh, I'm just gonna let her have that one.
Ok. Contre ça c'est pratique ça. Ah. Ouais, je suis un Gabriel en même temps. La map. Ok. Et nous on veut continuer sur la droite.
Hello? What's in this cave down here?
In Thunder Canyon?
Thunder Canyon?
Hey, I didn't name it. But in the cave, I don't know, rocks? NFS tells people not to go too far in there. It's pretty dangerous.
So,
So I say, fuck it. You're a grown man, you can.
great. Used to go caving with someone back in Colorado. She loved it. Might be great to explore it sometime this summer.
Well, that could be fun. Obviously, be very careful.
There's some guy out here giving me the creeps.
The creeps? Wait, he's looking at you? Is he doing anything else?
I don't think so.
Henry, there's something someone should have told you about this area.
What is it?
It's outside. The whole thing. And people come and go as they please. It's madness.
Yeah, I get it.
Look, bumping into someone in the middle of nowhere is
Oh
not
si! Oh si! Oh mais putain. Oh ça me fume. C'est dehors. Genre il y a des gens, ils viennent. Genre c'est un lieu public, tu vois, des gens... Alors, où suis-je? Ouais, faut continuer. Ah, il y avait une voie plus simple? Ok. En tout cas, c'est très vallonné, hein. Oupsie.
Well, that trail isn't closed anymore.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I took care of the blocked path. It was backbreaking, but, you know, anything for the service.
Well, thank you.
Anytime.
Ah merde. Ah, il y a un truc là? Et ça c'est? C'est des water.
So it's just the outhouse then, in terms of going to the bathroom?
You're a man, Henry. You can go wherever you want. Well, number one at least. And, full disclosure, I pee wherever I want as well.
So this generator is all the power I've got out here.
Yep, it doesn't go through much gas, and, well, you don't have much in the way of electronics, so...
What about my hairdryer?
Ah là là, comment... Ça se cherche un peu, hein.
I could never.
Ça se cherche un peu, hein. Et Julia, mon petit pote. Julia. Ah ouais? Qu'est-ce qu'elle fout là?
What can I do for you?
Well, my typewriter is on the ground, outside of my tower.
You right?
Yeah, look, the wind? No. How the hell did...
You should get inside.
Fuck me.
C'est quoi? C'est les meufs là? Parce que j'ai pris leur... J'ai pris leur boombox. J'ai cru qu'il y avait marqué boire.
Someone broke in.
Hey, what?
They wrecked the place. Threw my typewriter out the window. Motherfucker.
Holy shit. I'll let the Forest Service know what happened.
The place is trashed.
Je peux ranger ou...
I can't believe this shit. You hear anything yet?
Okay, I put in a call.
That was fast.
Yeah, well, do you have any idea who could have done this?
I did probably piss off the girls at the lake. Ugh, fuck them.
Well, I'll have the Rangers keep an eye out for a couple of young women and question any they find. I can't believe someone would do this. I worry about bears and fires, and that's about it. And now I've got to worry about some, violent campers? Okay, in the morning I'm gonna call my friend Patty, who works the desk down in Cody. They keep a list of everyone who's officially been in and out of the trailhead since, I don't know, forever, and see if we can get a list of names. We won't get much, but at least if anything else happens, we can refer to it and see if anything comes up.
Thanks.
I need you to feel safe out here.
Don't worry about it.
Oh, you can protect yourself, huh?
I've done it before.
Okay, tough guy.
I'm a tough guy. Jour 2.
Wake up.
2 secondes.
Hey, wake up.
Ah oui, oui, j'arrive.
I'm awake. What's your problem?
Our problem.
Sorry, our problem.
That storm knocked out the phone line I used to talk to the service, which means we're cut off. I tried radioing out, and that's not working either.
There's no backup?
The backup is the 2-day hike out of here.
So that's a no?
It's easier for me to send all the lookouts out to check the status of the wire in their areas. Yours is a good hike away. If you find any portion of it down, I can try to get a hold of a ranger and he'll bring someone in to fix it.
Okay, I can do that. Where is it?
Remember that cave you hiked through yesterday?
Yeah, of course.
So you're gonna want to go back there, go through it, and keep going straight to the north when you come out.
Will do.
Thanks, Hank.
It's Henry.
What, you don't like Hank?
Yeah, I don't like Hank.
Thanks rhymes with Hank.
No, it doesn't.
Okay, all right.
Alors du coup on a dit on repartait vers le nord. Le nord c'est par là-bas. Il s'est passé quoi là? Ok. Il y a eu un petit souci de... Très bien, donc on remonte vers le nord et ça va être au-dessus, c'est ça? Donc par là-bas. Ah oui, les waters sont là. Ça c'est le chemin que j'ai emprunté la veille. Et je pouvais juste faire ça et pas monter. Parce qu'on a vu un mec. Parce qu'on avait vu un mec que j'ai suivi la piste. Et donc, faut que je redescende par là. Là, je vais reprendre la piste. Ouais, c'est bien ça. Par là-bas. Par la cave. On repasse par la cave. Batman. Je le fais pas très bien. Je pourrais faire comme ça. Un peu trop grave du coup.
It's actually pretty damn cold out here.
Roger that. Warms up fast. The mornings are cold in Boulder, though, right?
Yeah, they are.
What did you get up to down there? I mean, what's life like?
I just spend a lot of time with Julia.
Oh, so you have someone there.
Well,
But you're taking a little break. Or...
we're
Look, I'm sorry. Can you hold that thought?
sure. Just gonna keep hiking and hoping it warms up.
Heyo. I don't think so. Why, have you? Okay, good.
Hey, your button is still
No, I
down.
don't think he has any idea. I'm absolutely sure. Would you? All right. I'll let you know if anything changes in that regard. Hey, sorry about that. Anyway, Julia, girlfriend? Ex? Sorry, I don't mean to pry.
That would be my wife, Julia.
Oh, like your wife? Or like she's taken half my stuff wife?
My wife.
But you're here.
Everything's fine. Just, we're taking some time apart, getting some fresh air.
A little change.
Yeah,
All right, well, we can just leave it at that.
thanks.
Bizarre. Bizarre l'appel juste avant. Bon, non, il est au courant de rien. Vengeance. Exactement. Il y a une boîte là-bas. J'aimerais bien atteindre la boîte là-bas. Je suis pas du tout la carte. J'ai coupé à travers chemin. Ouais, il peut pas grimper. C'est un peu haut en même temps. Enfin, il y a des trucs qui apparaissent, mais c'est tellement fugace que... Alors 1, 2, 3, 4. On copie les informations. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a là-dedans? Pomme de pain. Tableau. Ah, un bouquin. Il y a des pages en moins ou... Ouais. C'est tout? Ok. Alors, qu'est-ce qu'on a? La tour elle est plus haut, c'est ça? Donc là, faut qu'on aille vers l'ouest, puis qu'on remonte vers le nord. Et pour l'instant, on a toujours les panneaux électriques. Ah, pas là.
Yeah, okay, the wire's down here.
Really? Awesome. Good find.
It's like, I don't know, a mile and a half east of me. You just follow the trail up the hill, you can't miss it. I'll go see what the damage is.
Inspecter la ligne de communication de plus près. Oui, j'ai adopté la petite tortue. Ah, par ici, on peut pas. Faut aller monter là-haut, c'est ça? Du coup, j'ai envie de courir avec Shift gauche. Mais ça marche pas très bien. Est-ce que c'est la radio? Ouais, faut faire le tour. Allez. Allez, allez, allez. C'est le son de l'année. Je sais pas pourquoi ça revient en tête ça. Une daube. Attendez, attendez, attendez. Pourquoi il y a une canette de bière là?
Well, I I hopped down a drop and now I can't climb back up.
That is a pickle.
I mean, I can just keep hiking, but I figured I should let you know in case I get myself trapped out here.
How adventurous of you.
Oh la meuf.
I've been doing a lot more climbing out here than I expected.
Well, keep your radio charged. I'd hate to one day find a skeleton with an orange backpack at the bottom of a ravine.
Hey, so there are beer cans all over the ground up here leading up the hill.
That's annoying.
Yeah, thing is, there were a bunch down at that campsite yesterday.
Coincidence, maybe?
I don't think so. Same brand, everything.
These fucking kids.
Why do you think they'd be up here?
Hell if I know, but they better have stayed away from our communication stuff.
Avec la culotte où il y a marqué va en enfer là. On peut lui dire?
Hey, so the wire is definitely down out here. I just found it. Yeah, the thing is, it doesn't look like the wind. It looks like it was cut deliberately.
I knew it the moment you said you found their trash. These idiots are gonna pay. Do they realize this is how people die? I mean, what if something happened to one of my lookouts while this was going on? And God forbid there's an actual fire burning out of control.
What do you want to do?
I want you to go find them.
And then what?
I haven't thought that far ahead. That's not true. Everything that comes to mind is illegal.
Let's hear it.
Oh yeah?
Hey, I came out here for a breath of fresh air and some adventure. What do you got?
I think I want you to just find them and scare the hell out of them.
Yeah, I'd make a spooky ghost costume, but they stole my sheets.
I don't know. Wait for them to wander off and wreck their camp. Something that would make a teenage girl run home to mommy and daddy.
Fine,
Thanks.
but I am gonna need a raise.
Carrément.
Hold your breath.
Ah.
I'd start by hiking back towards your tower and just keep an eye out for anything that would lead you to them.
Well, they're big into Red Eagle.
Great. See if you can find the path they took down from there. Maybe they looped back around towards the lake or something. I doubt they're where they were yesterday, but they obviously can't have gone far.
Je suis obligé de redescendre par la droite, par l'ouest, du coup. Alors, l'ouest, c'est pas où? L'ouest, c'est en face. Ok. Allez. On va tout ranger, hein. Je suis un gentil monsieur de la forêt. Là, si je vais... Non, on revient au truc d'avant, je pense. Ouais. On va aller voir. On va aller voir 10 secondes.
I've got an overgrown trail here,
Yeah, that'll happen.
so I'm screwed when it comes to getting past it.
Screwed until you clear it yourself, yeah.
Great. Well, if I come across some tools, I'll add groundskeeping to my ever-increasing list of responsibilities.
T'as pas répondu. Donc là, on se retrouve sur un chemin. Et nous, on va vers le sud. Et on va choper la cache 241. Vers le sud. Donc vers le sud, c'est là-bas. Ah.
There's an abandoned pack out here.
And it's not one of the teens?
No, it looks like it was lost a long time ago.
Well, You could always pilfer it for supplies.
Un appareil photo. Une corde.
Well, I am flush with ropes now. That pack was full of them, in decent condition too.
That's lucky.
I mean, there's enough rope here that I could just leave them hooked up, I think. Oh, get this. This pack came with one of those cardboard single-use cameras.
With pictures left?
Yeah, he only used 3 or 4.
Neato.
Thank you, Brian Goodwin.
Wait, who?
The bag had the name Brian Goodwin sewn into the top.
Huh. Wow.
Do you know him?
Yeah, I just haven't heard that name in a few years.
Was he a ranger or something?
Oh, no. He was stationed in Two Forks, your lookout, with his dad Ned 3 summers ago. Great kid.
You can bring children out here?
No. You know, I'm not a stickler for rules. They took off halfway through the summer.
Est-ce que...
Why? Where did they go?
I don't know. I never really hit it off with old Ned, and one day they were just gone. Sucks. Anyway, so it goes. Have fun with that camera. Try not to snap anything that would scar a Photodome employee.
I don't know. I got a lot of hiking to do. Might get bored.
Well, I'm bored as rocks, so I'll keep you company while you find those girls, huh?
Pierre branlante. Ok. Est-ce que je peux... Oh merde. Oh la galère. Ah oui non, je suis con, faut relâcher.
Someone found a fossil and put it in a cash box.
Oh, really? Just so
hop,
you know, I didn't mean to overstep my bounds earlier
vers le sud.
when you brought up your wife.
On peut pas tout faire.
I know you didn't. You were just making conversation. I appreciate it.
So, tell me about her, if you want.
She's a college professor. She's a PhD in biology, evolution, and stuff.
Ooh, evolution. That's a risque subject in these parts. Man, she sounds sexy.
She sure was.
Where does she teach?
Yale.
Yale.
Yep, the Yale.
Shit, Henry.
She flew back and forth. I hated it.
Yeah, I would too.
Yeah. Anyway, that's her.
Français? Non. Zone brûlée.
From this burned section of forest, I have no idea where to go. Their trail is pretty cold at this point.
You're out by Mule Point. No one would camp out in the fireweed. Well, I want you to stay out there as a favor to little old me.
My pleasure.
Okay, we know these young women are sloppy. They must have left some sort of trail.
J'ai rien vu pour l'instant donc...
I'm having a hell of a time getting this fucking flapjack off his ass and out to repair that wire.
Excuse me, Flapjack?
You know, like a loser, a chotch.
I really don't, but I do now.
C'est de l'autre côté.
Well, the next time you're at a bar and some banker steps on your foot so he can order his crappy martini, you've got just the name to use.
Hey, Flapjack, why don't you wait your turn before I bounce your face off a dumpster?
It's beautiful.
Hop. On va où maintenant? Sud? Ok. Le sud, c'est en face. On reconnaît, on a pris ça tout à l'heure de l'autre sens. On va remonter. I knew the way. On fait le petit chemin en zigzag. L'escalade finale.
You know, if it makes you feel any better, you're a member of a diverse club of lookouts that have come to the thoroughfare after a breakup. There was Vernon, whose wife got put away for running cocaine. Becca, who was widowed after her husband, a jockey, was trampled by his horse. And Sharon, whose boyfriend had his own boyfriend. Maybe you boned the neighbor. Maybe she boned the neighbor. Maybe you both did. I don't judge. And if you ever want to talk breakups, I'm your gal.
We didn't break up. We didn't choose to break up. She got sick.
I'm sorry, Henry. What is it?
We'll get into it.
Okay. Well, in the meantime, you are here, and it's beautiful, and escaping isn't always something bad.
Yeah, sure. I see a really thin plume of smoke.
Yeah, I see it too. A thin plume like this is either a new fire or a campfire.
Campfire. You think it's them?
I reckon so.
It looks like it's to the southwest of me.
That's right. If you hike towards 5 Mile Creek, that should put you in the neighborhood.
Oh.
Keep an eye on that smoke plume. Let me know if it's getting any larger.
Will do.
Ok. Du coup, la carte était à jour, c'est ça? C'est ça qu'ils ont dit? Bon. On va vers le feu. Vers la fine colonne de fumée. Tout droit. Todo recto. Alors là, ça montrait juste le chemin, c'est ça. Hein. Je pense. Ta 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 ta. Tout droit. Toujours tout droit. Ah. Ouais, pardon. Trop chill. Du coup, je m'endors. C'est dingue. Donc on a bu un café, hein, mais ok. Comment je fais? La carte. Passage flou, c'est ça?
Wow, there's an old, I think it's called a medicine wheel out here.
Yeah, it was made by Crow American Indians hundreds of years ago. There are lots of small ones. Have you ever been to Medicine Wheel Monument over in the Bighorns?
I sure haven't.
Well, it's worth a 3-hour detour on the way home in August.
Neat. I'll keep it in mind.
Oh, je passe. Je peux pas passer. Ok. On devra sûrement revenir plus tard dans le coin en bas. Bloqué. Et du coup, je dois monter en Nord-ouest. Donc là-bas. Par là-bas. Par là-bas, il y a un chemin. Je connais un passage.
Did your wife's illness have anything to do with you taking this job, or did you just fall prey to the service's big recruiting push? When it comes to, how the hell you ended up out here?
I saw the job in the paper and figured, what the heck?
What the heck? I've got no ties and no life. Better go spend what's left of it in utter loneliness.
Something like that?
Yeah, thanks to last summer, the bump in Forest Service budget actually allowed for us to advertise for the job. Glad it worked.
What happened last summer that accounted for this, windfall?
Jeez. I mean, the federal government almost let Yellowstone National Park burn to the ground? Ring a bell?
Yellowstone is 15 miles away. Why would they do that?
Well, the short story is that for 60 years, we got very good at not letting forest fires happen. And then about 15 years ago, they decided that forest fires in wilderness areas like Yellowstone should be left to burn. So that's what they did. I can't believe you didn't hear about this. There were reports that the entire park was gone. Dan Rather telling the country that President Reagan didn't care on the nightly news. I mean, what the hell's he gonna do? Smoke jump in and snuff one out for the Gipper?
So what should they have done?
I don't even know. By the time the Yellowstone folks realized the little fires weren't gonna burn themselves out, 100,000 acres were gone. It's Yellowstone, People don't want to touch it. But we touch it every single day. But hey, I got a 30 cents an hour raise because we can't have another fiasco. The goddamn park can burn down again.
La fumée. Bah elle est où? Je la vois plus.
What does she have?
She's got Alzheimer's. Dementia?
Whoa. How old was she?
Is she? She's alive. She's with her family in Melbourne, Australia. She's 43.
Fuck.
Yeah.
What was it like when you guys found out?
Well, we didn't really understand what was happening. You don't get Alzheimer's in your late 30s.
No kidding.
But even then, we didn't really get it until she couldn't work anymore and I couldn't leave her alone. It wasn't until then that I said, oh, this is it. This is over. That was hard. I'm sorry to be such a downer.
Don't even. I'm happy to listen. And, we'll try to have some fun this summer. I promise.
Boy, for as dry as it is this summer, there's an area down here that's lush.
Oh, you must be talking about the Aspen Grove down there.
Yeah, I think that's where I am.
Those trees are actually one root organism. Did you know that?
I didn't.
Yeah, they share their water as a colony that can live for hundreds of years, even through fire. Can you believe you're actually getting paid to learn all of these amazing things? Also, by what it looks like on this map, you'll be coming up on a stream that should lead you towards where we saw that smoke.
C'était où du coup la fumée? C'était joli là. J'ai pas. Faut que j'avance un peu plus en ouest, plus que je remonte au nord. Un peu plus par là-bas, puis je remonte à droite. Très bien. Ah.
It's a really nice waterfall down here. Given those girls love a skinny dipping, I bet they're nearby. There's some cloth out here. It looks like it was torn from something.
Strange.
I'll keep looking around.
Regarde s'il n'y a pas des...
I see a campsite, and it looks like they've got a fire.
Is it them?
It seems like it. I swear, they must have dragged 4 cases of beer out here.
Track them down, and don't let them see you.
What a job this is. girls have a full case of beer left here. A full case.
Well, they're impressive little shits, I guess.
That is some dedication. Well, I found some dangerous hunks.
What on earth are you...
It's the name of a magazine for girls. It's on the ground here at their camp. I have entered the teen zone.
Oh, really? And where's that?
Ah, found my sheets.
So they did break into your tower.
Looks like...
Je peux les reprendre ou... Non, je peux... On a déjà signalé ça.
Pants are back.
I'm sorry, pants are back?
Well, according to the experts at Teen Zone magazine, it's unclear where they've been. The pants, I mean? I don't get why the hunks have to be so dangerous.
Well, you're clearly not a young woman.
Girls should want nice hunks.
Ugh, boring.
You know, maybe I should take one of their sleeping bags as payback.
At this stage, take whatever you want.
Some of their clothes are all torn up.
That's not good.
Their tent looks like it's been through the shredder, which would explain that scrap I found.
What could have done that? Like a bear or, I don't know, it sounds crazy, but even a bull elk if it's off its rocker.
Whatever did it, did not hold back.
You've got that camera, right? It might be a good idea to get a few snaps, just in case.
Yeah, good thinking. Looks like someone left a note.
Intriguing. Maybe you should read it.
Okay, yeah.
Let me know what it says.
Alors, cher psychopathe, j'espère que tu es content de toi. On s'en va. Mais on va prévenir à la police que tu as essayé de nous faire peur près du lac et que tu as détruit notre campement et toutes nos affaires. Oh. Et voler des culottes, c'est dégueu. Tu es peut-être un assassin aérien armé d'une hache. Je te garantis que tu vas aller en prison. J'espère que ça valait le coup de nous prendre la tête pour nos feux d'artifice. Connard.
Oh, they're gone for sure.
Well, what's it say?
Threatening to call the police because they think I attacked them.
Oh my god, well, did you?
No, well, hey, I didn't do this. Okay, someone or something went to town here, but it wasn't me.
Because I told you to scare them, not assault them.
Yeah, I took their whiskey back at the lake, but that just felt like, I don't know, the cost of doing business.
That's different, okay? And I don't blame you.
This is, I don't know, weird as hell, but it wasn't me.
It's okay. I believe you.
Ouais.
Weird stuff happens in the woods. It could be other campers. They could be having a bad mushroom trip. We really
Oula.
don't know. But they're gone. There's no way to call the cops. They're not coming back. And we can get to work. I'd really like to start enjoying a quiet summer.
Yeah, me too.
Jour 3. Ah, j'avais trouvé des planches.
Hey, Henry.
Yeah.
What do you look like?
Why are you asking?
Because I'm horribly superficial.
I could be Tom Cruise's good-looking twin brother.
Oh, that's too bad. I read in People he's like 5 foot nothing.
Yeah, well, you can't win them all.
Okay, well, that gives me a good start. Now let's see. In my scope, I can only tell you're a white guy wearing shorts.
It's hot. And maybe, by the way, I'm not white. It's not very, you know, PC or whatever they say.
Oh my god, you are the whitest man. Wow. I don't need a spotting scope for that.
Let's
No
go.
shorts, then what do you normally like to wear?
I don't know. I like to look nice, usually. Well, I try now, I guess.
Had a bit of a schlubby period, did we?
Yeah, a good 25, 30 years, yeah.
But, now you'll put on a clean shirt?
Yeah, well, I have one that I got for Christmas, actually. Just, it's navy with white buttons, but I like it. I don't wear it that much, though.
Well, it sounds just perfect. Now tell me about your face. I'm looking at you across the bar. What do I see?
Pretty thick beard.
Oh, have you always had a beard?
For a while, yeah.
All right, perfect. I want to know about your eyes.
Dis donc.
Get out of here.
I'm drawing you. I need to know.
You're what?
Is that okay? Don't don't answer. I'm gonna do it regardless.
Fine.
Bah dis donc.
Eyes, tell me.
They look tired, I think.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, you know, you hit a certain age and you think you're a younger person who just looks tired all the time.
Speak for yourself, mister.
But I guess that's getting old.
Well, some people might see distinguished. Okay, got it. Thank you, Henry.
You get what you need?
Absolutely.
Colmater la fenêtre cassée. Très bien. Faisons comme ça. T'as même pas besoin de poser des clous. C'est beau, hein?
I got that window all patched up. So, what should I do now? What's next?
What's next? What do you think is next?
Well, you've been the one giving me tasks for 2 days straight.
What's next is you sit in that room until September 1st and call me at the first sign of smoke.
Oh, yeah.
Why don't you let me know when you're mentally prepared for that task and I'll give it to you.
Okay, I think I am ready to tackle my long-term commitment of keeping this national forest safe from total destruction.
I am glad to hear you've really thought this through.
Of course.
We've issued you a comfy chair to sit in and everything.
You know, it's not really that comfy. I mean, it's wooden and there's no padding. I actually got a splinter in my thigh.
Aww. Well, regardless, take a seat. The forest depends on you.
Ouah, jour 9, direct. Eh bien, messieurs, dames, je pense que c'est là-dessus qu'on s'arrêtera pour aujourd'hui. Et bisous YouTube, à bientôt.